Happy Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead. This one is in the healthcare field, but it's gonna be for those who like customer service. I tried to share an array of things on this channel, so as always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. This week I've been sharing a lot of non-phone customer service, so this is for those of you who actually don't mind being on the phone. This one is going to involve phone, live chat, SMS, and email, so you'll get a little bit of working all different mediums. We're going to dive right into it. Just know the link to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is always in the YouTube description box below the video. Jabra Hearing is a company that is trying to empower millions of people to be able to hear better through convenient, personalized hearing care. So they have been able to take their business further thanks to telemedicine and telehealth. They are hiring a customer support coordinator. Now, this is remote within the United States, but as a customer support coordinator at Jabra Hearing, you'll be the heart of making their mission to help people hear better a reality. So they're looking for someone to act as the first touch point for customers, answering inbound questions and inquiries via phone, live chat, SMS, and email. You'll be assisting customers by processing administrative requests, such as ordering additional hearing supplies, creating and uploading documents, and more. You'll also, if you order supplies for them, provide shipping and order statuses and process any order updates. You'll help schedule or reschedule their appointments, process order cancellations, returns, and warranties. Now, if helping people and being on the phone is your thing, they're looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of a previous experience working in some kind of customer service or customer facing role. Someone who has advanced computer skills, someone who is familiar with support software, and someone who has great communication skills. Of course, you have to be able to read, write, and speak English. Now, they are offering multiple shifts. First shift is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and these shifts are all listed in Eastern Time. So, of course, if you're outside of that time zone, you'll need to convert your time to that time zone to see if those hours will work for you. But their second shift will be a Tuesday through Friday shift, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and then working on Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then their third option is a Tuesday through Friday, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. shift, and then working also on Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now, as far as pay goes, they're paying anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, vision, dental, and 401k, and they include a 4% company match with their 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please give this video a thumbs up like button if it was helpful, or if any of my job leads that I share is helpful, because that does give me direct feedback, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.